You know what's powerful when it comes to growing your channel? Collaborations. You know what's even better? Double secret probation collaboration. And that's what's coming up next.
Brian G. Johnson!
Hey, it's me, Brian G. Welcome back to the channel. And if you want to not only upload, but amplify your videos, consider subscribing. I want to talk and share about a strategy that I've used for so many years, a strategy that has allowed me to not just do collaborations, not just allow me to drive more views, but make more money, have more fun, and it's really about connecting with those people in your space. I want to share how I've collaborated with Nick Nimmin on multiple occasions, how we've had lots of fun and supported each other along the way. It really began simply by reaching out and just giving props to someone I respected, someone that was in my field, someone that I saw doing good work, and it really was just that, Nick. I remember saying, hey, I saw the channel review on Daryl Eves. Hey, Daryl. And I said, you know, I love what you're doing. Keep rocking on. I'm Brian. And that was it. It wasn't, hey, let's do a collaboration.
Right.
It wasn't, I got a product and you got to promote it. It was just hanging out and connecting with people, and the result has been tremendous. Collaborations, a partnership, someone to strategize with, and I think it's really vital, important, and healthy to have this kind of a relationship in your business and the thing that you're pursuing in your life. Nick, what do you think about that?
I absolutely agree, because you know, with a lot of things in your life, like if you are trying to do pretty much anything, right? With a lot of things in your life, you know, like you're in a lot of cases, you're kind of the only person in that space. You're kind of operating alone, right? So when you have other people that are doing similar things to you, other people with similar mindsets, they have similar ways of looking at things and stuff like that, it's really a humongous value add, because basically, in addition to creating a friendship, you also have somebody you can bounce ideas off of. You also have somebody that you can say, you know, hey, this particular thing has happened in my stats recently, or this particular thing has happened in my business recently, or whatever. You know, are you having something similar? Have you been through something like this before? You know, things like that, to where you know, you're not on that little boat in the ocean by yourself. You know, you're kind of, you know, you have other people that you can reach out to and bounce ideas off of and share with.
Absolutely. So how can you do that for yourself? Well, step number one, just reach out. Identify people that you really appreciate, people that are in your niche, and think about reaching out to people that are maybe a few thousand subscribers ahead of you. You know, it probably won't work so well if you reach out to someone that's got 100 times the channel size. And when you're true with your motives, and when you just pass on good stuff to people, you know, good things will come back to you. Nick, do you have any tips as far as how to make that happen?
Absolutely. And real quick, I also want to mention that in addition to, you know, reaching out to somebody, you know, that's just a little bit bigger or whatever, it's also, you know, you can be that bigger person also. You know, you can reach out to other people that are also in your niche, to where you appreciate their work as well, to where you can say, you know, hey, you know, maybe I can send some traffic your way as well. You don't always have to look up in order to have value, in order to you know, to enjoy, you know, that part of the process. You know, you can look in either direction. At the end of the day, it comes down to people. It comes down to making those connections with other people, regardless of where they are in the process. You know, like I've had people on my channel that, you know, that have, you know, 500 subscribers. Mm-hmm. You know, and you know, because of that, you know, I probably won't do that a lot, you know, in the future, but I gotta go ahead and say it.
He's like, oh no, oh no.
But what have I done? But you know, but because of that, you know, I saw what it was that they were doing. And I saw that they were trying to do good things. And when you, like you were saying a second ago, when you're trying to do good things, people recognize that, and people will reach out to you, and people will definitely kind of help you get that upper hand as well, as far as, you know, somebody reaching out and helping, you know, bring you along as well. It's a very powerful thing.
Absolutely. And lastly is being willing to move forward and take things to the next level. If things work out, set up the collaboration. And when things don't go so well, what do you do then? It's okay. You know, things don't always go as expected. When you expect bumps in the road, when you deal with adversity the best you can, it's never pleasant or easy, but instead of it being this overwhelming thing that breaks you, you know, you can make it past. So Nick, it's been a lot of fun having you on this video, and well, heck, getting to meet you live at Vid Summit, fantastic.
Likewise.
And I want to let you know, anything is possible here on YouTube, and when you decide to move forward, when you set a goal, when you strive, when you stake your claim and decide it shall be, amazing things can happen. If you want to not only upload but amplify your videos, consider subscribing. I upload new videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and I live stream or upload a video on Friday. You dig?